Henry, can you try to stand again for Mommy? Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do. Put your feet out. Oh, good start. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're getting to these little legs. 1. Do I need to pull your pants up? Like them britches. And I'll give it a try. Oh, buddy. Come on, you were right in there a minute ago. Oh, boy. You did it. Oh, that was better. Try again. Okay. Baby. You can do it. Oh. Okay. Maybe later.